Okay, let's talk about this. So who is Daddy's mom?
Grandma.
Yep. Did Grandma have Daddy in her tummy?
But I want Daddy to grow so big because I'm scared to be Daddy a baby.
You don't want well, I was a baby once.
No, I want you to be big.
Okay, well, I'm big now.
But I don't want you to grow a baby.
Okay. I can't ever be a baby again. Once you grow up, you stay grown up.
When I grow up, I can go on your tummy.
No, you'll be too big. You were in my tummy when you were a baby.
No, when I grow a baby, I said, and then I can go on your tummy.
That's weird. You don't know anything about...
Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so Daddy was in Grandma's tummy when he was a little baby.
And then you are the mommy.
Oh, no, I'm your mommy.
You are my mommy.
Yeah.
You got one kid.
Yes, and who's the one kid? That's right. I love this kid.
I got apple
Pineapple?
pineapple on my shirt.
Yeah.
Dress.
Yeah, that's cool.